In the farthest reaches of the universe, where stars are born and galaxies collide, an ancient prophecy whispers through the cosmos. A prophecy of a savior who would rise above the turmoil, bridging hope and unity across the scars of celestial conflicts. This is the story of Commander Jesus, the Starfleet leader with unmatched compassion and unmatched bravery. Today, the Eternity's mission takes a dire turn. The Galactic Dominion has begun deploying a weapon of unimaginable power, the Oblivion Core, a device capable of obliterating entire star systems, leaving no room for mercy or negotiation. Our hero, the Starfleet savior, must make the ultimate sacrifice if there's to be any hope of stopping this monstrous threat. Commander, this device can destabilize the Oblivion Core, but there's a catch. Once activated, it requires a manual operator to maintain the energy pulse. With the core's structure, there's no guarantee of survival for the operator in the blast radius. We can't let you make this choice alone, Commander. Let me do this. I've fought my whole life to defeat tyranny, and this is my chance to finally make it count. You are a warrior, Zara, but this moment isn't for you to bear. This is the Architect's plan. I was sent on this journey not just to lead, but to make the sacrifices no one else can. Trust me, I will ensure the legacy of peace and hope lives far beyond this moment. As the minutes tick away, the crew must come to terms with the possible loss of their leader. Each of them faces a test of courage, loyalty, and the bonds they share. He carries so much on his shoulders, Lux. It's not fair. How do you have faith that he will return? Because it's not faith in his survival that drives me. It's faith in his mission. The galaxy needs his light. Even if that light flickers, its shine will never extinguish. With the weight of countless souls relying on him, Commander Jesus approaches the heart of the Oblivion Core. Each step feels heavier as cosmic winds threaten to push him back, but his resolve is unshaken. Why does it feel like this is an end, Lux? Why does my heart tell me we're losing him? Because heroes like him don't belong to one generation, one mission, or one planet. They belong to all of us. At that moment, Commander Jesus channels the Architect's energy, the energy of creation and redemption. The Oblivion Core shudders, its destructive pulse neutralized as a blinding glow consumes it. The core is destabilizing. We need to get out of the blast zone now. But there's no signal from Jesus. In the aftermath of sacrifice comes renewal. The galaxy now sees a brighter future, the seeds of peace and hope planted by one unparalleled leader. Commander Jesus' mission lives on as his crew continues spreading his timeless message across the stars. And though his presence may not be felt, his essence is felt in every corner of the cosmos. For the leader we lost, but the hope we gained. Commander Jesus proved once and for all that hope cannot be extinguished, even in the darkest galaxies.